Hello, this is Irfan from Javelin Technologies. In this video, we will see how can we link the thickness of a shell to a design parameter or a parameter in general, which can then be used for design studies or for optimization purposes. So first of all, let's go into the shell definition, and we'll see that a shell thickness of 0.5 millimeter has been defined for that shell over there. To link it to a parameter, first of all, we'll select link value. We'll see that the parameter window will pop up. Let's go ahead and define a new parameter, and we will call it shell thickness, or any name that you choose. We will then link this to a simulation parameter. Let's assign the same 0.5 millimeter or any value that you choose, apply and OK. In the list of the parameters, we'll see that there is a new parameter that we just defined. We'll click that and say OK. If you will see now that this has been grayed out, I cannot make any changes to that, and it has now been linked to that parameter. Let's say OK. I'll go ahead and create a new design study. And in the variables, I can now choose the shell thickness. It will bring up, so I can start with 0.5 millimeter thickness, go all the way to 1.5 millimeters at steps of 1/4 millimeter. And then let's say we want to add a sensor which is going to track my stress, the maximum von Mises stress. Let's look at the stress in megapascals, and we will look at the maximum stress across the entire model. We can add another sensor. We'll keep the same thing. Let's go back to megapascals, but I will also monitor the factor of safety. Okay, so I have, and all we are going to do now is monitoring only. We'll uncheck optimization. We just want to see the effect of this thickness on this design. So we will run that. So it will process all the scenarios. And I see that as the different design studies are run, with the changing shell thickness, I have different values of the stresses. As the thickness goes up, the maximum stress comes down and the factor of safety goes up. Of course, this material still fails, so we need to find the right thickness, but this was just to demonstrate how we can vary their thickness using a parameter and then using that as a design parameter in a design study.